Hi there, students. To flash, a verb. A flash, a noun. Okay, to flash, to shine briefly or intermittently. The light flashed on and off. It blinked on and off. Or flash photography with a camera, where there's a very bright flash. There was a flash of lightning followed by the rumble of thunder. Notice, flash can be both transitive and intransitive. He flashed the light, he shone the light flashed, intransitive. Okay, to flash, to be visible briefly, or to make visible briefly. An image flashed onto the screen. She flashed me a smile. Notice as well, to flash, to expose oneself indecently, briefly visible. There was a flasher in the park flashing at the children. Notice as well, flash, to display ostentatiously. He flashed a wad of £50 notes at the people in the pub. And then you've even got the adjective flashy, ostentatious, a flashy car. You could even say a flash car, but I think flashy is probably better. So something that's flashy is bright and ostentatious and shows how wonderful you are. So his flash car must have cost £60,000. Okay, now to flash, to move or proceed rapidly. Time flashed by because I was having a good time. The cars flashed past as I walked down the road. And then as well, a flash, a sudden brilliant burst. So, for example, a flash of understanding, a flash of insight, a flash of genius. So, wow, that was a really good idea that suddenly came to me. Okay, so a flash of insight. So let's see some other examples. You could have a flash flood, which is a flood that suddenly appears from nowhere. Or a flash mob, a group of people who suddenly appear in a place and do a dance or a number and then go again. A news flash, a quick piece of information of the latest news. Okay, so to flash, brief illumination. Yeah, a brief. Notice to flash is a regular verb. He flashed, he has flashed. And it's neutral formality. You can use it in an informal conversation. You can use it in the most formal of documents. Okay, this probably comes from the north of Europe. There's a Swedish dialect word, flassa, which means to burn brightly. And there's an Icelandic word, flassa, to rush, to go fast. So, a fast burn, a flash. Yeah? Okay, so, a flash of light. It flashed into view. Time flashed by. A flash of genius. Okay, so it's something sudden. It can be just one burst, or it could be various on and off, on and off. So there you go, flash. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Flash.